Yeah, so recently I kind of switched up the way that I'm using TikTok for affiliate marketing, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Really quickly, who am I? Well, my name is Brian Brewer. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I've won some of the awards that you see behind me, including the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award for generating over $1 million in affiliate sales with a single funnel. And I don't have anything for sale here for you today. I just want to share with you the new way that I'm using TikTok for affiliate marketing because I think the game has changed a little bit. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'll actually show you how you can get access to a 100% free affiliate marketing course that I created for you. So ever since 2020, TikTok has been a great tool and a great asset for affiliate marketers to be using. And even today, I think it is undoubtedly true that if you want the most reach the fastest, then I think TikTok is probably going to be your #1 platform. Now, the problem with TikTok, though, is there's really only one way to reach folks. And what I mean by that is if you post a video, it can get reach, it might go viral. It's going to get some views, but there's no way to really bring people into a community on TikTok. So instead of creating a TikTok account and linking my funnel or my affiliate offer or my product or my service in my bio, I'm actually doing something a little bit differently now. What I'm doing is I'm still creating content with the intention of going viral and get reach. And let me be clear, the intention I have is to go viral and get reach with my avatar, with my ideal customer. But instead of trying to pull people directly from TikTok into my funnel, what I'm doing now is I'm trying to pull people off of TikTok. I want to use that amazing reach that I can get with TikTok and I actually want to pull people into a community. And the community that I'm talking about is Instagram. So Instagram gives me a great opportunity to nurture my leads. And as customers get more savvy, as there's more competition in the market, as there's more marketers pitching their thing, it's getting harder and harder to pull people straight from a 15-second TikTok video into a funnel that is designed to immediately capture an email, then immediately sell some sort of low ticket offer in most cases. So what we actually want to do is actually nurture our leads so we can convert a higher percentage of the people who view our videos into commissions or sales. So about a month and a half ago, I started switching up the way that I'm using TikTok. I'm still creating content and pointing people to my bio, right, in order to learn more about the thing that I'm offering. But instead of linking people to my funnel, what I'm actually doing is I'm pointing people with my bio, with the 150 characters or whatever I get. I'm actually pointing people to my Instagram, which you can very easily link to your TikTok account, even if you don't have 1,000 followers. And basically what I'm telling people to do is to come over to Instagram to find the link or the information they are looking for. Then, of course, in my Instagram bio, I have a short bio that points them to my funnel or my link, right? So they have the opportunity to immediately get access to whatever it is that I'm offering in the TikTok account. But once they come over to Instagram, hopefully they'll digest some of my content and hopefully they'll follow me as well. Then what I have is the opportunity to create omnipresence on a singular platform. Because while we can still get amazing reach with Instagram Reels, right? And you should be using Instagram Reels as well. But the other benefit that Instagram gives us is it allows us to access our audience from multiple touch points, meaning not only can we create reels and hopefully get in front of people once, but we can also create posts, which will then show up in our followers' feed sometimes when they're just looking through posts. That's going to be another touch point. That's going to be another reminder of our brand and what we have to offer. Plus, we can also create stories, which are going to be served at the top of Instagram as soon as they open their app, right? And this is going to be served to our most engaged followers, right? So when someone is really engaged with this, they're really on the fence, they're really interested in what we're offering, they're going to be consuming a lot of our content. So our stories are going to show up right on the top of the app when they open it. So that's another touch point and a great way to reach people and remind them of our brand and what we have to offer. And finally, the DM features inside Instagram are just really 100 times better than the DM features inside TikTok. It's a lot easier to get people clickable links in case they want to digest some of your content or maybe even see an offer. And the last little bonus, which we all know, is that Instagram and Facebook are owned by the same company, right? So what that gives us is an opportunity to, if we have it, grow our Facebook group straight from Instagram, seemingly without a penalty, because we know as long as we're keeping people inside the meta universe, so to speak, then that should be okay for the algorithms on both Instagram and Facebook. So that's how I am using TikTok. I'm going to leverage the massive reach, but bring people into a community where I can further nurture them with multiple touch points. If you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing and you want to get the free course that I mentioned earlier in this video that will show you the 8 secrets I used to make over $400,000 last year as an affiliate marketer, go ahead and click the link below this video. It might be in the description, it might be in the comments, and that will take you over to the 90-minute affiliate challenge, where you can get instant access to the free training that will show you exactly how I'm doing affiliate marketing right now. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see future videos where I'll teach you more about affiliate marketing. Remember, I don't have anything for sale here. And let me know what you think about this strategy in the comments. Are you going to use it? Are you still going to keep your link to your funnel? What's your plans going forward? All right. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.